How to clear cache in Telegram. So, in order to clear the cache on Telegram, you just have to open Telegram app and make sure to log in on your Telegram account. Then select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen and select the settings option. Once you get access on the settings page, you simply need to select data and storage option, which is under settings. And at the top, you will find out two options, that is storage uses and data uses. You simply need to select storage uses, and here you can simply see all the storage uses on Telegram. In order to clear cache of Telegram, select this clear cache button and a pop-up message has been appeared. So let's tap on clear cache option. So you need to note that all media will stay in the Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. So let's tap on clear cache, and then 21.3 MB has been freed on our device and the storage has been cleared. This one was the one of the way to clear cache on Telegram. Further, you can also open settings on your device and select apps. Now on this page, select app management and you can search using the search bar at the top of the screen, Telegram. Open the app info page of Telegram and here also you will see storage. You just open it and tap on clear cache. So these were the two methods to clear cache in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.